Hi, I'm Charlie Dangle, reporting from channel HTML5. I'm here with the latest client to enlist the services of mobile app developer 8-Bit Studios. Now, we've gone to great lengths to secure the confidential identity of our subject. And because of the extremely sensitive nature of the work 8-Bit Studios does, we can only show you part of this interview. Parts of it have been redacted. I used the word redacted. But let's get to the part of the interview that we can share. Mr. Lindstrom, what are you and 8-Bit Studios working on?
Well, Charlie, I'd first like to say thank you for having me, and I really appreciate you setting me up with such nice digs to sort of hide my identity.
Don't mention it. Don't I know the importance of anonymity?
Basically, we're working on a friend-sharing app, and while the social networker is waiting on Facebook to get their iPad app together, I said, why wait?
So how exactly does it work?
Well, it's sort of reminiscent of some of the greater iPad apps that are out there. Let me tell you how it works. Basically, you take an iPad and you sort of do stuff like,
Take your time. Take your time.
well, it doesn't, you get a claw and you get an iPad. Maybe it doesn't really work. I'll just tell you what it does.
Please do.
So basically, you have these photos that you can share. You can create a contact list, talk about your likes and your passions, maybe things you don't like. Peppers. You know what? I just don't like peppers. So I can tell the whole world how much I hate peppers. Can you do that on Facebook? Hell no, you can't. Instead of hitting send with a little blue button that's all branded like Facebook, you can actually use a thumbtack. And guess what? The thumbtacks are color-coded. Yeah, that's right. Color-coded. So maybe purple represents royalty. That's what I think of when I think of purple.
Duh.
Nice.
Duh. Duh.
Exactly. So, with 8-Bit, I just think they're pure royalty. So, you Facebook.
Well, folks, you heard it here first. This app will change everything. The world forever altered, its axis flipped because of the important work done here at 8-Bit Studio. You heard it from Charlie Dangle and this guy. Stay digital, Chicago.
I hate peppers.
8-Bit!